Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Twitter. After that we click force stop. You click OK. Then we enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. We'll wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can just update your app on Play Store to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.